ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki polit jong ke East Khasi Hills District ki balatrai shitom ban penlong ye ke jing tokit ke babania bad ban bud din touch shitaj ya ki badan kti ha ke Pynbthei yo bam IED dangshan ha police bazar hagini ki khndiat sngi ki layo kem hadu saungut ki breu ki badan kti hagani ka kam runar ya gani la pentip do menteri rangba jong ke jilla Konrad kongkel sangma haga jingya kren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ke jingyalang jong ke kinhon menteri haga artarik ubnai rempang ar hajar ar puah Ïathuh ru bagi laingut ki bala syakem ha ki pulit ki dai tang ki nong yaram henrai laitno usamla lut ubadang hapo khat prasnem ubala kam hakmat ki pulit ba udai u area commander jong ke seng HNLC ubapet ye kanong ba shlong.
All the people who have been involved in the recent IED blast that took place, all the people have been arrested, and investigation is on, and we will be moving forward into the network even further and going into all the people who were in touch with them also to make sure that we dig into this deep and get hold of all the people who could possibly have been a part of this or have assisted. But the people who were directly involved in the incident itself, all of them have been arrested, including the people from whom the dynamite, sticks were procured, including the people who placed it and including the people who had made it. So all the people concerned have been arrested. We wanted to brief the cabinet on that. There was one small amendment to be made in the Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion Facilitation Act 2020. It was a very minor one, where for minor offences, instead of going for imprisonment, only monetary fines would be made. So the small amendment was made in that, and in the annexure to the act, all the products that are allowed to be marketed within the state, the list of those products were added to this. That small amendment was made. If I am not wrong, there are 4, but you'll have to just reconfirm with the thing, because that includes in the past how many more were there, and will have to be reconfirmed, but the main 4 people who were there involved have been arrested. Supporters and sympathizers of that, and of course the actual linkage and how much they've been involved in communication and organization still is a matter of investigation, so we're looking into those aspects also. And that's the reason why we caught them, because we have CCTV footage on all 3 of them. They found it in the house of the main accused, who we, as I said, was already in the network. We knew, we had all the information and intel about these people, and as soon as this happened, we activated the network, went to his house, and we found that in his house. No, this is, as I said, I'm very clear, and we have made it clear yesterday also that we will be very firm on this, and we will take very firm and strict action on this, and all the people who have been involved will be caught, and that has been done, and we will continue to do this. Those who intend to create fear and terror will not be spared. So we will do everything that is required to be done.